Alright, quick question. If you could meet any wild animal face to face, would a gorilla make your list? Because let me tell you, these gentle giants are nothing short of incredible. Gorillas are the largest primates on Earth, and watching them in their natural habitat is like stepping into another world. They live in tight-knit family groups, led by a silverback, the boss, protector, a bit of a softie when it comes to his troop. You might picture them beating their chests and roaring, but in reality, gorillas spend most of their time chilling, munching on leaves, and grooming each other. It's a vibe. Did you know gorillas share about 98% of their DNA with us? That means, in a way, they're our wild cousins. Their expressions, their playfulness, even the way they care for their young, it all feels so familiar. It's a powerful reminder of how connected we are to the natural world. But here's the thing. Gorillas are endangered. Habitat loss and poaching threaten their future every day. The good news? There are incredible people out there fighting to protect them, and every bit of awareness helps. So next time you see a photo or video of a gorilla, remember, behind those soulful eyes is a story worth saving. Stay curious, stay wild. And who knows? Maybe one day you'll get to see these magnificent creatures in the wild, just like I did.